keep getting my kids new water bottles, and I cannot tell you how envious I've been of their water bottles, as I have a really old one that I love, but water bottles have come a long way since the one I got over 20 years ago, and I decided it was finally time to treat myself. So after a lot of research, I went with what I think is the best water bottle out there right now. And I may be butchering their name, but that is the Takeya stainless steel water bottle. And here are the reasons why I am so excited about this water bottle. First off, it feels really good in my hand. I knew I wanted something vacuum sealed so I could do hot drinks and cold drinks, but I didn't want it just feeling like a big cold stainless steel water bottle. And this one has a little bit of texture to it, so it has a little grip. It feels good. The next thing is that I love that it has this silicone bottom, so it's not going to scratch up surfaces, and this piece actually just comes off. So you can just take that right off, and you could replace it if you need to, or wash it, whatever you want to do. So there's not going to be some gross buildup under here. You can clean it, and that just can go right back on like that. And then the top is so nice. I get really frustrated at water bottles that don't have a good handle, and this is a great handle to walk around. And then when you're using it, you can just tip it right down. And then the top itself is a twist off that doesn't fall away. It stays with it and just folds over, and it will hold in place so it's not going to flop in your face as you're drinking. It stays where you put it. And then it has a really big straw opening, which I love, as I plan to mostly use this for just drinking water or electrolyte drinks. And I love that I can drink it fast this way, but if I'm in a car or somewhere where it might slurp, it's not going to slurp in my face. Now the top itself has this kind of rubbery edging to it, which is really easy to get a good grip on to twist it open. And then it is a double sealed stainless steel interior, so you're not touching much plastic at all. Your liquid is staying in stainless steel, so it is going to be great. And then the only place your liquid is ever going to touch plastic is when it goes through the lid, so it's going to be short-lived, really quick. And this lid is BPA free, it's dishwasher safe, and it has this great waterproof gasket that you can take out. So again, even though you won't often take these out, this is a really great feature, as it means you're not going to get some really gross buildup in there that you can't take care of. You can just pull out the gasket and truly clean this. So it's designed to last. So if you are looking for a water bottle for yourself or a friend or a loved one, this is a great water bottle, and I am so excited that I got it for myself.